Hello, here. This is the new update of SEMrush, and it is very good. I was using this for my research. So now, if you people want to research your competitor or your own website, so it is more good like this function. It is now more easy for you to evaluate how many topic you can cover, how many subtopic. So this thing, what is this? Let me little explain you how you can. So SEMrush is doing this like it is analyze the complete domain and it evaluate the top performing topic as per the traffic and then make all the topic into subtopic and relevant keyword grouping. So the important thing when you are going for keyword grouping, so it consume your most of the time. So here it is very easy. So see, these are relevant to these domain best performing topics. So see 10 topic and well, let me explain you little more. So see, this is the one main keyword, camper van rental service. So see, this is the main topic, traffic, the volume, and how many pages this topic is covering. So check under the top topic of this main, like this one, rent a camper van. So see, all everything information is given. So these are the top 10 topic which getting a high traffic and their total keyword covering. So now the keyword grouping and this thing is very easy and very good. So just an example, you can see this one like topic under the camper van rental service, rent a camper. See, rent a camper van, this top keyword for this page. See, these are the top keyword and as per the traffic, the best like the top traffic getting this keyword than this. So it is well organized. Now let me show you how you can do like this. So see, this is like one domain I analyze. I go directly to these topics. So best performing topics. See, there are 700 and 200 pages covering these seven topics. So you can see this is the top auto trader. So let me give you another example like you will like. So these complete topic just of this website I can export to this file. So let me share you this one. So this is the very best thing. See, here already this has given you the main topic. So see, these are top 10 topic like here it already told 10 topic. So 10 topic, these 10 topic and then the subtopic. Then the best thing is already keyword grouping is done. So see, and here is the most important thing, it is as per traffic. So this topic, let me yes, till out here, this is the main topic, camper van rental service. You create a one complete page, and under that page, you can cover these subtopic which are relevant to this. So now, if you are creating topical map and these type of thing, it is very good for your research. So this is your main topic. This is your one subtopic, and the good thing is already relevant keyword are here. So you have to cover these keywords in this subtopic. And the best thing is it is as per traffic. The highest traffic which is getting this higher a camper van. So see, this is the most top keyword than this. So this type of traffic. So now you can easily manage other things. So see, in this one topic, there are other topic like rent a camper van, rent out camper van, and little below camp. This is the second topic, caravan rental and sale. So this is the second, and it is also as per the volume like traffic. So see, in these there are subtopic Welsh caravan. It is famous in UK, so you can check it, the relevant keyword and also the volume. So then this is, so I think this is very good for research purposes and you can get many benefit of this new feature which is. So what you can do, you can go to domain overview. Here this domain overview, put a domain, then search it, then select your relevant country and then go to topic. So it will give you all the main best performing topics, so you know how to cover these and which are getting most of the traffic. So this is just a small update. I think you will like it. Let me know what you think about this. So thank you so much.